Get ready for a crystal clear countdown. Tonight we're counting down the best water filters that will transform every sip. Whether you're dealing with chlorine taste, sediment, or heavy minerals, these picks are built to upgrade your whole home or apartment. Today, I'm going to be going over the best water filters that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Membrane Solutions Water Filter Replacement Cartridge. This universal cartridge is designed to fit a broad range of 2.5x 10-inch housings, turning many common under-sink filtration setups into a capable clean water system. Construction emphasizes a multi-layer filtration stack built around a dense activated carbon block paired with a fine particulate layer. This combination targets chlorine taste and odor, organic solvents, sediment, and some odors that linger in municipal supplies. Cartridge shell uses rugged polymer materials and compatible seals to ensure a tight fit and minimal leakage over months of routine use. Installation is straightforward with standard wrench-free hand tightening, and the design avoids complicated adapters or proprietary housings. Users appreciate the absence of brand lock-in, since the cartridge is marketed as a universal option that can replace several OEM designs with a single purchase. This translates to a lower per filter cost and simpler stock management for households with multiple filtration points. In terms of maintenance, you typically replace this cartridge on the same cadence as other universal units, aligning with monthly water usage patterns rather than a fixed calendar. Filtration efficiency remains reliable across typical household pressures, and the product tests have shown good performance in chlorine reduction, improving the overall flavor of tap water. Filter also contributes to clearer appearance by reducing fine particulates that can cloud beverages after pouring. Its compatibility notes advise checking the housing diameter and length to ensure a precise slip-in fit, but the design emphasizes broad compatibility to minimize user guesswork. Paired to the Brita Ultramax, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the Membrane Solutions cartridge offers broader cross-brand adaptability and a lower incremental cost per filtered gallon, especially for homes with multiple filters. As a result, this entry earns its position at number 5 by delivering flexible use, straightforward installation, and meaningful taste improvements without tying you to a single brand ecosystem. At number 4, we have the Brita Ultramax. This large-capacity dispenser is designed to sit in the fridge, offering convenient access to filtered water for family use. The core idea is simple: a replaceable Brita filter cartridge, combined with a roomy reservoir that serves a steady stream of clean water through the day. Filtering element typically focuses on chlorine taste and odor reduction, which translates into crisper, more refreshing pours for coffee, tea, and chilling beverages. The vessel itself provides a visual indicator acknowledging when it is time to replace the cartridge, helping households maintain a consistent level of water quality without guesswork. Beyond taste, the Brita Ultramax delivers practical benefits such as reduced plastic waste because it encourages reusable bottles and reduced reliance on bottled water. Installation is straightforward. Fill the reservoir, insert the cartridge, and place the lid back on, then you're ready for a steady flow of filtered water. The design emphasizes user-friendly maintenance and a familiar brand ecosystem that many households already trust. Paired to the Membrane Solutions Water Filter Replacement Cartridge, which I have included as number 5 on this list, the Brita Ultramax offers brand-specific optimization and a larger, self-contained dispenser experience that some homes prefer for daily use rather than swapping cartridges in multiple housings. At number 3, we have the RicePure WFPF 8002. This refrigerator filtration cartridge is aimed at the tight, space-conscious kitchen where a built-in unit needs a dependable drop-in replacement. The WFPF 8002 family is known for its compact design and a carbon-based filtration stage that targets chlorine, bad tastes, and odors while maintaining essential mineral balance. Installation is a snap, with a simple twist-and-click mounting that allows most users to swap in a fresh filter without tools. Performance is reinforced by the use of a dense carbon block that traps contaminants at the surface, helping to keep water flowing smoothly and reducing the risk of flow slowdown as the filter ages. Many households appreciate the appliance-friendly compatibility, since this model is advertised as fitting a broad range of popular fridge brands and models. The construction emphasizes resistance to cracking and a secure seal to prevent leaks, even under variable water pressure. In daily use, you'll notice crisper ice and better-tasting water, plus the reassurance that the filter is refreshing without the need for expensive or proprietary replacements. Paired to the Brita Ultramax, which I have included as number 4 on this list, the RicePure WFPF 8002 focuses more on occupying the same refrigerator niche while delivering a cartridge you can swap without changing the entire dispenser system. At number 2, we have the XWFE. specific refrigerator filter is a familiar choice for many GE model owners, balancing compatibility with solid filtration performance. The XWFE filtration system aims to reduce chlorine, tastes, and odors while supporting a clean, crisp water flow that suits everyday use, from drinking water to ice. Filter's filtration media are designed to strike a balance between effective contaminant reduction and preserving essential minerals that contribute to a satisfying mouthfeel. Installation is straightforward, with a standard twist and seal connection that makes a secure fit in most GE side-by-side or bottom freezer configurations. While the cartridge is compact, it delivers a noticeable upgrade in water quality without requiring a whole house filter. Design also emphasizes compatibility with a broad range of GE refrigerator families, which is a practical advantage for households with multiple GE appliances. Compared to the IcePure WFPF 8002, which I have included as number 3 on this list, the XWFE offers a brand-specific solution backed by a long-standing manufacturer's support network and model-specific compatibility. At number 1, we have the AQUA CREST UB3. This replacement fridge filter is crafted to fit a wide array of refrigerator brands through a universal style cartridge that emphasizes versatility and ease of use. The UB3 lineage focuses on multi-stage filtration that reduces chlorine taste and odor, helps reduce sediment, and contributes to a cleaner ice and drinking water experience. Design integrity centers on a simple snap-in installation with a secure seal, ensuring reliable performance even in busy kitchens. Many buyers appreciate the balance of price and performance, knowing they can source a compatible cartridge without chasing a single brand supply chain. In practice, the UB3 often performs well across different models, making it an appealing choice for households with mixed appliance brands. Compared to the XWFE, which I have included as number 2 on this list, the AQUA CREST UB3 stands out for its broad compatibility and a straightforward replacement process that reduces decision fatigue for shoppers who want a single filter family that covers several appliances.